Nokia N-Gage QD disassembly. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband and earth connection box. You need the following tools: an SRT6, tweezers, and a Torx driver size 6. Protect window with the film. Remove battery cover. It is easier to remove the A cover by use of SS30 opening tool. Press down the left and right key mat with moderate force. Protect the inner side window with a film. Pull up the grip. The removal of key mats is easy. Unscrew 6 Torx size 6 screws by the order shown. Remove screws before continuing. Take away the LCD frame. Always protect LCD with the film. Pull up LCD module, mind the flex foil. Disconnect flex foil connector by use of SRT6 only. Do not damage components or the connector. Take away the key guide. Release 2 plastic clips with SRT6. Prevent damaging the clips while opening. Open the unit carefully. Release the hooks behind. Prevent bending the spring contacts of earpiece during pressing out with moderate force only. Lift up the right side, turn it, and remove the UIPWB. Mind the guiding pins. Take away the engine module. Pull up the power key. Remove antenna. Use charger plug to release the DC jack. Prevent bending the spring contact while removing the SM jack. Remove vibra with tweezers. Pull out IHF lid. Moderate force is required while levering out the HF speaker. Release all 4 clips of MMC card shield before pushing out. Disassembly procedure is finished now.